to collect. Glyphid swarmers hatch from similar eggs, but those are always anchored to the ground or the walls. Dreadnoughts grow in similar things, but those are actually cocoons, not true eggs. So I wonder what part of the swarm hatches from these. Doesn't matter. These ones aren't hatching at all if we have a say in it. Let's get to work.
Ceiling clean! The barnacle down! Mine it! Move your tin ass over here and hurry, please! Time to deposit! Depositing minerals! It's overheat activity. Let there be light. Let's go. Mine it. The barnacle down! Barnacle eliminated! Come here, you flying tin can! Mining is hard work. Good thing we're dwarves. Take your sweet time, old lady. I've got all day. Down the hatch. Lighting. Terrain scanner just got updated with a new data loading. Born ready. You really need to provide some better equipment. Covering fire! Barnacle down! Where is that damn tin can?
You found one of the missing beer mugs! Yippee!
Bosco, what is that? Help me mine this. I got the deposit. From A to D, skipping B and C. I need you here. You want something done right? You gotta do it yourself. Your time is up, Craig. We are tide is up. A barnacle.
Don't ask me. I have no idea why we do these. I just keep track of it. 78, 79, 80. Yep, that's enough. Supply pod incoming. Get your noses out of those mineral veins and your barrels to the walls. We got bugs, team.
Follow me.
We're making the mother of all omelets here, team. Can't fret over every lost egg. First 1 to 25 gets a free drink from me. And go.
Breathe, creep. Ah! I got the Praetorian. What? That walks the overheating. Lock and load it. I'm not scared of you. Ah! I gotta watch the overheating. Lights up. Cold shoulder for ya. Getting supplies. No more days here. Yeah.
Look, I know you're having a good time, but you gotta leave. Look for the drop pod. It'll be there soon.
I hate nature.
Looks like their numbers are dwindling. Don't let up, guys.
Lock and load.
Alright, drop pod arrived. Molly recalled. Everything's going smoothly so far.
Last dwarf in the pot.
5 minutes. Let's go, people.
Overheated. I was born ready. Gotta go fast. Never get tired of it.
Yeah. Good job and all. Sorry, I'm starting on this report now. I want to sleep tonight.